Welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be doing a very quick but sophisticated nighttime look. I actually done this look for a gig that I went to last night. The first thing I did was apply this illuminating primer with the Multitasker Wake Me Up concealer and foundation in one by Rimmel. So I simply just got these two products, mixed them on the back of my hand and applied that as my base. So that's what we're going to do now. Couple of pumps, maybe 3 pumps of the primer. Just shaking up the Wake Me Up concealer and foundation and doing probably about that much. And I'm just going to mix those up on the back of my hand together. And what I love about the foundation and concealer in one by Rimmel is it's so long lasting. And then I also love this primer because it's very sheer and it just makes the makeup smooth on really effortlessly, even under the eyes. So not even using any concealer at all. Now with a multitasker brush by Sigma, this one here, I'm just going to pick up the remaining bits on my hand and then smooth that base over my face. I've been really enjoying this multitasker brush by Sigma. It's just perfect to blend under the eyes, all over the face, doesn't leave any streak marks. Really love it. And I don't know about some people, but when I'm going to a gig, I really just like to not go too crazy, too heavy, but I do have a way of just applying makeup in a fast and efficient method. So even if it's messy, it's fine, you know, because it's going to be a dark event and no one's really going to see your mistakes unless you know about them, of course. No, I'm only kidding. It does look great. It will look great in any light. Now I'm just going in with some eyebrows and some eyebrows. I always do that. I'm going in with the Kush Fiber Brow Gel to provide a bit of depth and definition to the eyebrows. And Milk Makeup, I know you're watching this video. Do not discontinue this, okay? Just don't. Leave it in the comments below. What is your favorite eyebrow product? Do you prefer pencils? Do you prefer a pen, a liquid pen? Do you prefer a eyebrow gel like this in a mascara wand? Do you prefer powder? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Maybe you're a soap brow gel kind of person where you just put the soap through your eyebrows and leave it au naturel, just without anything. That too looks really good. Now I'm using one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes of the year, and this one here is the By Mario Ethereal Eyes Moonlight palette. I'm going in with the Sonia G Jumbo Blender brush, and I'm picking up this really deep shade here in the Mario palette. It's this one here, which is actually called EM8, and it's like a charcoal grey. Tapping off the excess, and you will notice that I didn't apply any primer whatsoever because my eyelids are naturally oily, so this eyeshadow is doing its best already, just sticking to it. And I'm applying it from the base of the eyelid just to underneath the crease, not above the crease, but just to underneath it. It's alright if you go to the crease, but you don't want to go over. Well, for this particular look, I find it's more flattering just simply going under the crease or just on it, but not over it. And you can see how this shadow just sticks down so easily. Now, don't worry too much about anything with the outer corner just yet. We're just taking the shadow pretty much from the base of the lid just to underneath the crease, okay? Really easy like that. With the other side of the brush, I'm picking up this, it's sort of like a sparkly shade. Well, in the palette, it's actually called EM11. Oh, sorry, not EM11. It's my bad. EM10 with the other side of the brush. This is EM10. It's a sparkly shade. Tap off the excess and apply that to the middle of the eyelid. Just for a little bit of sparkle and sheen. Now with the edge of the brush, we're just going to do window wipe motion over the shadow, concentrated in the socket of the eye, just to blend that out. And then you can work the outer edge of the eyeshadow to elongate the eyes a little bit. Just with a reusable cotton pad, just getting a bit of makeup wipe, and I'm going to clean up the eyeshadow on the edge there. Just putting some makeup wipe on here and just cleaning the edge. Liquid eyeliner pen. This one here is the Better Than Sex Easy Glide waterproof eyeliner. Just starting from the middle of the eyelid, very close to the lash line. We're doing a little wing. Just like that. Pencil brush. This one here is one of my favorite pencil brushes. It's the E30 brush by Sigma. It's got like a really beautiful brush tip. And I'm picking up two shades, the black and the brown. And those two shades in the palette are EM9 and EM12. So I'm picking up the brown first and then I'm picking up the black. And with this, you do want to make sure that you tap off really well and apply that underneath the lower lashes. And that's the smoky eye that we're achieving. Just wiping off this brush, and I'm dipping into this gold shade here. We're going to wet it, so we're going to dip into it. That one there is called EM7. And with the all-nighter setting spray, I'm going to wet that spray. Well, I'm going to wet that eyeshadow. 2 sprays, and then we're going to put that in the inner corner of the eye for a pop of highlight. Look at that. Look at the instant impact that makes when you just simply spray the shadow. Then with the remainder, just highlight under the brow bone. Okay, now what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to be applying some mascara. This is the Laura Mercier, the Caviar Extravagant Mascara. I'm going to pause the video, apply mascara on the top and bottom lashes, and then we'll come back and complete the rest of the face. Okay guys, mascara has been applied on the top and bottom lashes. I've been really loving this mascara so much. It feels like it's the only kind of mascara that really doesn't tend to irritate my eyes, and I don't know what the magical thing is about it, but absolutely love it. Okay, so now we're just going to do some blush first, and then we're going to apply bronzer. The blush that I've been really loving lately, Laura Mercier Blush Color Infusion in the shade Fresco, and it's your perfect nude blush. Using a stippling brush, this one here is by Sigma, and it's the F53 Air brush. It's like a dense kind of stipple brush, and applying that to the cheeks. This blush has a little bit of sparkle to it, which if you don't like sparkle, then obviously you choose a matte formula. But I absolutely love this, and I kind of pack it on. A little bit on the nose. Now going in with some bronzer. Can't get enough of this bronzer, the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Diffused Bronze Light Blush. Using the high definition bronzer brush by Sigma, running my brush all over that bronzer and applying it to where I would normally contour. Last but not least, we're going in with the lips. I'm lining my lips with one of my favorite lip liners of all time, and I tell you what, it does last all damn day. It's the Essence 8 Hour Matte Comfort Lip Liner. Now this one is in the shade Cushion Talk. Overdrawing the lips. Make sure to go over the top lip line a few times to get the opacity, because if you just do one outline, it's going to be still very sheer and you will tend to see your natural lip line underneath it anyway. So I like to go over this top section a fair bit, just to emphasize the fact that it is overdrawn. Now I'm going in with a lovely shade by Chantecaille, and this is one that I received 2 years ago. I purchased it, I think, when the Jaguar palette came out, and this is in the shade Passiflora, and it's just a beautiful neutral pink. And that completes the very quick, get out the door, sophisticated, sexy glam look using some of my favorite products. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you know someone who might get some use out of this video, please share it. And for those who have recently subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. Welcome to my current subscribers. Love you all so much. I hope you're doing well, and I hope you have a lovely day, noon or night, wherever you are. And I will see you all again in my next video. Bye for now.